Hey everyone, this is Vatsala. Welcome back to my channel. This is your September reading. So let's see what is it that you have, the cards have in store for you for the month of September. I have the oracle cards already laid out and I'm going to show them to you. So the first card is the wise one with tradition and order. And then we have the warrior card. Look at this gorgeous card. We have introspection in reverse and we have communicate freely. Okay, so one message that I'm getting immediately looking at these cards is that you've had a dark night of the soul, and there's a transformation coming for you with this snake. This card is telling me that you've been very strong. You've been very strong and you are working on yourself very, very strongly to overcome any obstacles in your life. And you are turning this dark area, this gray area in your life into something light, into something beautiful. You're creating your own rainbow, it seems, and you've been very strong, you've been very vigilant, you've been, you've shown character in this hard time. And I honestly feel that in this time you've kind of really believed in any higher power. Okay, that could be God or that could be anything that you believed in, because I do see that this power has come from you growing spiritually. I'm also getting a vision of Kundalini rising. So you have the third eye here, your intuition is working. So you've really worked on your spiritual growth, and that has given you strength and power to go. Because see, you have the wise one, tradition and order. You have been, it seems like you've been looking at something which has higher authority, higher power, tradition. It could also be a guru, you could be looking, because this is giving you a very hierophant energy. And that's, and that's giving you results. That's giving you results, and you growing. You're actually moving from that dark passage to a very beautiful, lovely green with a lot of abundance. I'm sensing a lot of abundance. With introspection in reverse, I feel that earlier you were looking outside for answers, you were looking for validation outside, but you're learning to kind of look within. And I communicate from depths of my being, and communicating freely, you're also learning to communicate your feelings, your desires, and you coming into your power right now, and you're learning to communicate your needs. And you could be struggling with this earlier, I feel. So let's see what the tarot cards have to say. So why the wise one? What is the wise one telling us, Spirit? What is the wise one telling us? It's telling us Knight of Cups, Hermit, and the Knight of Coins. So Hermit is telling me that there was a time for introspection, and there could be a time where you were on your own and you were just relying on yourself. This is also Virgo energy, very September energy, where you were looking within for answers and not outside for answers. And you have the Knight of Cups and Knight of Coins. You are trying to balance your emotional and practical sides. You're learning to balance your emotional practical sides. This could also mean that you are looking for people who can build this journey for you. You were looking to have a new start, maybe, which you were struggling to have earlier. So all of this can happen in September. Why the warrior? What is the warrior telling us in September? Okay, what is the warrior telling us in September? We have the Queen of Cups, and this came in reverse. I honestly feel that you've been fighting your own demons and your own emotions, because I feel that, yes, you have Four of Wands. I think the darkness was really about you not feeling emotionally fulfilled, and you balancing that. Yes, you are balancing that in September. I see that you would be working on every area of your life in September, and you would be growing in that area, be it spiritual, be it emotional, be it financial, and you will be balancing all areas of your life. Why the introspection in reverse? You have the Emperor. Okay, so you could be also facing an ego death. I feel that you could be losing a lot of opportunities because of ego, because of being very stubborn, and that could have led you to a place where you were in a mode of self pity. You were second guessing yourself. You could not see what's coming ahead. But there was help, there was abundance, and there were things that had to come into balance, I feel. And I also feel that if this is regarding a relationship, because we have Six of Cups and Justice, I feel that if you were waiting for somebody to come to you and to confess certain things, or if you were waiting for reconciliation, you kind of need to introspect that what is it that you need to change about yourself. You're relying too much on the other person and other person's action. This situation can be improved if you introspect and see what is it that you need to do to improve this situation. And then you have communicating freely. So let's see what is this communicating freely telling us. High Priestess, Queen of Wands, and Tower. Okay, so this Tower is telling me that you've been in confusion for a very, very long time, and you've been quiet. You've been in Hermit, High Priestess mode, where you've been working on yourself very quietly. You've been getting in touch with your own intuition, and because you were not feeling stable inside of you. But now you are in your Queen of Wands energy. Queen of Wands is confidence. Queen of Wands is believing in your creative energy, in your spiritual energy, and you bringing that energy forth, and you're communicating with your heart, and you're learning to communicate with your heart. I see it's a situation where you've been in your mind a lot, and your thoughts have been just inside you, and you've not been sharing those thoughts. But I think in September you kind of coming out of that zone and sharing your thoughts with people. You meeting people, you are moving out of that gray area where you were just in solitude. You're moving out of solitude is what is happening. So let's get some more tarot cards for the month of September. What else is happening in September for my viewers? What else is happening in September? You have the Two of Wands. You are really planning for your future. You are choosing a brighter tomorrow. You're leaving what is not serving you. You're gonna have a fresh start. A wonderful start towards your future. You're leaving anything that's not serving you behind, and you're healing. You have the Star. You really working on your dreams, aspirations. You are healing. This is also healing energy. I said, like, emotionally you're healing and moving towards much better waters, much better situations. You're choosing the right direction for you. The cards are just jumping for you, because there's so much happening, I feel, in your life. There's so much brewing in your life, is what I'm hearing. You have the Lovers. Yes, I sense that it was a relationship. So if it is a relationship that you've been waiting for a very long time, and you were in separation with that person because of commitment or stability, know that in September that person is going to come to you and going to heal things. And you have the Two of Cups. You have the Lovers. Okay, this gave me Two of Cups energy, but this is Lovers. So this could be a soulmate that you are manifesting, and you're gonna this talks about reunion. If that is what you're manifesting. So that is happening in September for a lot of you. Wow. Okay, that's nice. Let me know if you are manifesting a relationship, and if you are manifesting a soulmate. And if you are, then it's time for you to communicate freely with them, because the whole cards are showing me two things: that you are balancing your emotional and work life, and I think the more you're balancing your emotional life and your work life, the more abundance is coming into your life, and you're moving forward from a time of uncertainty is what I'm getting. So I'm going to get some angel guidance and some oracle guidance, and we're going to end this reading. I'm going to do another reading for the month of September. That's just going to be a love reading, that what's happening in month of September. And if you guys want another reading for work life, do let me know in the comments below. I'm going to do a work reading for the month of September. So what is the angel guidance for you for September? Let's see. What is the angel guidance for you? Peaceful resolution. Let go of worry and anger. There's going to be a peaceful resolution to your problem. Okay, you are ready. You are ready to, if you believe, to receive abundance in your life. You're ready to receive good news in your life. I want to know what the good news is, so let me know, please. Look for signs. Okay, look for signs and synchronicities for things to happen. The universe could be communicating with you through coins, through feathers, through numbers, through tarot cards, through reels nowadays, and success. Ask your angels for success. You know, you're definitely a spiritual person. I could see that in the cards. So ask your angels. Meditation bring answers. You know, keep doing those meditative practice and ask your angels. Okay, so I'm going to pick some more cards from this deck, and I'm going to wrap up this reading. So what messages do you have for people who are watching this? Guidance. Yes, this was the Hierophant energy. This was the energy that we had in the first card. So you have guidance. You're not alone. You're guided by masters, teachers, and higher realms. If you remember, I told you that, you know, you are spiritually growing, and that's how you are being guided to overcome your problems. You have love. Live your truth and share the love that is in your soul. So yes, your love life is improving. We saw this in the cards. Wow. You have freedom. Follow your heart and nurture your soul with love and freedom to grow. Yes, you are getting the freedom. You are freeing yourself from any self-limiting belief and choice. By staying conscious in your thoughts, you guide your journey in direction of choice. Okay. And the last card is the courage. Live your life fearlessly with courage, strength, and determination. So with this, I'm going to end this reading. If you like this reading, please subscribe to my channel and follow me for more. If you want a personal reading, I will give my number, WhatsApp number, in the description, and you can get in touch with me. I will see you next reading. Bye.